welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I have this homemade journal taken, see that's a travel brochure, taken from a travel brochure, and took the staples out, covered it all in gesso, and it's been sitting, here for about 2 years, because I made a whole bunch of them, and I did a journal one year with them. If you're interested in that journal, I think I have a flip through, I can link below. But this one's just been sitting there waiting for something to happen. So I decided I would have a Gelli printing session and just cover it with fun stuff. So, and my goal, you see me toss that to this, that was my garbage off to the right there. My goal is to use up some of this craft paint because I have so much of it. And I have lots of other paint too now that I need to use it up. Some of it's getting dry, some of it's mostly empty, and what better way to use up old paint than to Gelli print? So I'm just going to go through, and I've got this really sped up. I hope it's not too fast for you, and just going to play. So you'll see here I use the deli paper over the top. That is because those gessoed pages are really rough. In fact, Gelli plate prints are very different on this surface than they are on regular paper. I don't know if it's just me, my paint, but it doesn't respond the same as like copy paper or cardstock. I mean, it's okay, it's just feels a little different. Anyway. I hope you enjoy this, and I will do a flip through of what I create at the end. So I think that's about the last that I show you. And here is the flip through. You'll see I've even used the brayered off pages and just collected them all. This has now been, I've actually taken a couple pages out of this and given them away. But I think I will turn this into, it'll still be a journal. Maybe next year I will, because I've already got one going for this year. Maybe next year, if I remember I still have it, I will turn this one into my regular journal. It'd be kind of fun, right? To have already colorful pages to work with. And lovely travel pictures too. Some of them I just couldn't gesso over them. Like that one, Venice, so pretty. And there's some pages I like more than others, but altogether, I think it was a fun time. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.